Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Solana price as we begin to cover altcoins. Notice how we are sitting at this 200-day moving average this Saturday, right around that $145 level, with Solana breaking all-time highs at around $259 about 70 days ago. We're about 43% down from that level. The last time Solana was at the 200-day moving average was in July when we were below 30 US dollars. For those in the Discord, you know we've been sending a ton of altcoin signals for swing trades and day trades. And this is because of the fact that the altcoins outside of Ethereum are inside of this bullish ascending triangle, potentially ready to break out. Let's just take a technical look at Solana and just assume that Bitcoin has bottomed out below 40,000. Are we looking at a great place here to potentially dollar cost average positions around this 200-day moving average? Well, notice here how the Solana to Bitcoin chart and the Solana to Ethereum chart are sort of forming these symmetrical triangles, forming higher lows, lower highs, which is a very bullish pattern. Same thing with Solana against ETH. And there are headlines right now, like Bank of America analysts saying that Solana could become the Visa of crypto and take over Ethereum, with over 11 billion already locked inside of the Solana ecosystem. And with its interoperability, notice how we've already taken over Cardano and market cap, Ripple and Polkadot, and there's its own ecosystem on CoinMarketCap with Terra and Chainlink involved. Why is Solana doing so well? Well, we know Solana has a lot less fees, it has a lot more transactions per second, and the interoperability is a huge aspect of it, so we can even launch DAOs on Solana without having to spend 1 or 2 Ethereum. It's a lot better of an alternative to Ethereum if you're not focused on decentralization. And so if we're bullish about the cryptocurrency market into 2022, and we are potentially assuming Bitcoin has bottomed out here below 40,000, could this be a prime opportunity to be dollar cost averaging, or at least starting to dollar cost average positions into Solana? Well, the only next level of support is the 50-week moving average at 92 US dollars. But when we look at market structure, it's sitting in the middle of a range that Solana has never stayed in. We've never stayed below this 100 US dollar level for Solana. Once we breached the $56 to $55 level, Solana skyrocketed towards that $259 all-time high. And so the likelihood that we come down to this 50-week moving average, in my opinion, is if we're in an all-out bear market. But that's not what we're looking at today. I'm telling you, I'm assuming Bitcoin has just bottomed out below 40,000. That's why I want to start looking at some altcoin charts. Is it a good time to be getting into a position into Solana? I think that it's certainly an asset to look at with the crypto fear and greed index at extreme fear right now. Here's one interesting thing about Solana. Look at Cardano on Google Trends. Bottomed out here. Look at this, forming lower lows. Same thing with Ethereum, just kind of bottomed out here, just flat bottom. But look at what's a little bit different. Solana forming higher lows on the Google Trends chart. We're going to be seeing a lot more capital come into the cryptocurrency market into 2022 to 2025. Solana being a Ethereum competitor, sitting at a market cap way below Ethereum, of course, at 46 billion versus around 400 billion. Is this a potential opportunity for a coin like Solana? I think it certainly could be the case sitting here at this 200-day moving average. Why wouldn't we be dollar cost averaging long-term positions around this area? I think that this right here is just one prime example of how much opportunity is currently in this market despite Bitcoin's downturn in the recent times. Parallel channel here. Notice how for Solana we've already come away from this ascending support and this ascending resistance level. We're just kind of in its own bear market territory, sitting at this 200-day moving average. Could we expect upside from here? I don't know if Solana could break that 200-day moving average here at around $140 with all of the bullishness coming into 2022. For an ecosystem like Solana, I think this is one prime altcoin for us to watch And for those in the Discord, I'll send a signal out when I believe it's the best opportunity to be getting into a coin like Solana. And we'll cover Cardano, we'll cover Shibu, we'll cover more altcoins as we start to make these altcoin videos on the Snipers channel. I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick altcoin update. And until our next one, Snipers out.